In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit images using Canva's Magic Eraser tool. Whether you're looking to refine details or remove unwelcome objects from your photo, this tool offers a simple yet effective solution to make your images look their best. Let's dive into the world of seamless photo editing. First things first, make sure you have your Canva document open and ready to go. Once you're there, navigate to the specific image you want to edit. It's important to select an image that truly needs enhancement or modification, ensuring you make the most of what the Magic Eraser can offer. Click on the image and you'll notice an Edit option pop up. Go ahead and select it. This will lead you to a variety of editing tools, but today we'll focus on one of Canva's most magical features. Now, once you are in the editing interface, look for the section called Magic Studio. Under this section, you'll find our tool of the day, the Magic Eraser. Click on it and you'll be presented with a selection of options to help tailor the eraser to your specific needs. The Magic Eraser is designed to be versatile, giving you the power to use various erasing modes like brush, click, foreground, or text. Each mode offers unique capabilities. The brush option is great for more controlled, manual erasing, allowing precision with your edits. Adjust the brush size according to the area's detail you wish to refine. Go for a small brush when working with intricate sections and a larger brush for broader areas. If you're dealing with larger areas to erase or want a faster solution, the click or foreground option might be more suited for your task. This adaptability ensures you can cater the tool to exactly what your image requires. For those who frequently need to remove text, the text eraser is particularly useful. It picks up on text elements within your image, letting you eliminate them cleanly without affecting the surrounding area. Carefully select the area you intend to erase and proceed with your modifications. Once you've completed your erasing, step back and take a moment to review the changes. The alterations should seamlessly blend into the image, leaving your design looking natural and polished. If everything looks perfect and you're satisfied with your edits, you're done. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully used Canva's Magic Eraser to enhance your image, whether by removing distracting objects, streamlining your design, or just touching up small details. In just a few easy steps, you've made your visual content pop with professionalism and creativity. Keep experimenting with different adjustments to see all the amazing possibilities that the Magic Eraser tool can offer. Thank you for watching and happy editing!